Hello people of the internet, this time I've got something awesome, Galaxy Note 10. Let's open it. Note 10. And there it is. Look at it. Look at it and you cannot smell it, but I can. I love the fresh smell of the electronic in the morning. Euro SIM card only. Where's the knife? I have my trusted knife, Tonto Katana, sharpest knife in the world. A little bit dirty. Don't worry about it. Yes. So what's inside of this beauty? Bam. Come on. Something is stuck there. Come on. Maybe like this. Sorry. Something here. What is it? What is it, my friend? This smell is awesome. I think it's manual. Oh yes, manual. In all kinds of languages. All kinds of languages. Warranty cards. And manual, even in Polish, because I'm in Poland. SIM card too. Okay, let's put it aside. Let's take the phone and put it aside for a second. Let's see what's are the accessories. What's going on with the light here? Oh, now we have a better light. Oh, very nice presentation. What is this? Okay. Ooh, and we have a charger. What kind of charger is this? USB Type-C charger. There's the exact specification. There's even a QR code. I pause the video if you want to read this. What else we have here? What is this? This is for the pen. What else we have here? Cable. USB Type-C cable. Okay, it's a black cable. I don't have to show you this. QR code here. It's just a cable. Nothing fancy. And AKG headphones. They look the same like the previous version, yes or not? No, they look a bit different. Let's open it. I will not use them. I have a wireless one, so it is what it is. That's the accessories. So what exactly do we have here? Screen, 6.3 inches, 400 nvme PPI, 168 grams. What else we have? Battery 3500, dual SIM, 3 microphones, 8 gig of RAM, 256 gig of ROM, that's the storage. Cameras, we have ultra wide 16 megapixel camera, 2.2 light, wide angle camera, 12 megapixel, that's the middle one, 1.5, sorry for my English, and 2.4 light, that's the middle one, and telephoto lens 12 megapixels, 2.1 light, and the front one is 10 megapixels, 2.2 light. And you can see there is no button on the right side. They changed this. Microphones, SIM card, tray, camera focus, please. Don't do this to me, please. And we have a power button, volume button. No headphone jack. That's unfortunate. USB Type-C. Another microphone. This grill, I don't know, is this a speaker? Probably. And of course, a pen. Let's turn it on. Look, see the fingerprint magnet is huge. Look how thin the bezels are. There's a, I can see it. There's something here. Okay. Holy smokes, what's going on? And runway, we have a update available. So let's update first. Okay, let's see in close up. Look at the Infinity O display. It's awesome. It is awesome. Let's go to the settings. Let's go to the phone info. UI 1.5 version, Android 9. You can see. Okay, what else can I show you? Storage. Command storage. Okay. And there's the RAM. Optimize the RAM. This is how it looks like. Clean it. And we have, look how smooth everything works here. 1 gigabyte of, 2.3 gigabyte of ROM clean. Only 3.5 available. Okay. Very smooth feeling. First impressions, Infinity O display, awesome. The whole phone feels very, very premium. Colors are nice, feels nice in the hand. But I've got the mixed feelings about the buttons. You see, what's going on here? Some kind of... Anyway, you see, I'm an old Samsung user, and the buttons, the power button was always on the right side. Now it's on the left side, and there's nothing on the right side. And I really don't like that. Why they change this? Why change something which is good? Why do you change this? Why they change this? Now I'm getting confused. I try to turn on the device and there's nothing here. So I really don't like it. It's confusing. But it is what it is. I will make another video with camera comparison, Note versus S10 and iPhone XS, and the whole review and everything. So mixed feelings, but wait for the next video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.